we have here point at 2, -3. This is where the line will pass through, and the slope is 4. Now there are a lot of processes that will allow you to solve for the equation of a line, but since our given here is a point and a slope, we are going to use here the point slope form. The point slope form is in this form. We have y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. M is our slope. Now for our y sub 1 and x sub 1, this corresponds to the given point. So whatever will be the x coordinate of that point, that's your x sub 1, and the y coordinate will become your y sub 1. So y minus our y sub 1 is -3, so please don't forget to place or enclose it in parentheses, is equal to m, that slope, or we could just automatically use here the slope, which is 4 times x minus 2. That's the first substitution. And then we have here y plus 3 is equal to, by the process of distributive property, you have 4x minus 8. And then let us try to come up with the general form of the equation, as we are going to move all the terms on one side of the equation. So we are going to subtract 4x on both sides and add 8, so that this side here will become 0. So you will have here y plus 3, subtracting both sides by 4x and adding both sides by 8. This is equal to 0. So we are going to arrange this now. You can start with your x, -4x plus y plus 11 is equal to 0. This is now the equation of a line in general form. In standard form, we can just simply move out 11 on one side of the equation. We could have here minus 11. Again, this is the general form because the equation is equal to 0. And for standard form, we'll have our constant on one side of the equation. By the way, how would we know that our answer is correct or not? You may just simply substitute your given point and it should satisfy your equation. Let us use this equation in general form. Substitute the point given, which is at 2 and -3, because that line or the line represented by this equation should pass to that point, and it should satisfy the given equation. Times 2, then plus, your y is -3 plus 11. Since we are verifying whether our answer is correct or not, please use your question mark. You have here -8, you have -3 plus 11, and you have here 0. Question mark still, because we are just verifying. This will give us a result for 0 on both sides of the equation. This signifies that your equation passes to the point 2 and -3, and our answer for our general form and standard forms are both correct.